Vertebrates in the aquarium. Chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes or cartilaginous fishes are jawed vertebrates with a skeleton made of cartilage rather than bone. They have tough skin covered with dermal denticles or dermal teeth, useful for protection and feeding. The class is divided in two subclasses, elasmobranchi, sharks, rays, skates, and sawfish, and holocephali, ghost sharks. In the aquarium there are some small spotted cat sharks, gattucci. It is one of the most abundant elasmobranchs in the Northeast Atlantic, from Norway to Senegal, and in Mediterranean Sea. It is found on the continental shelves in sandy, gravelly or muddy bottoms, from depth of a few meters down to 400 meters. It can grow up to a length of 1 meter and it can weigh more than 2 kilograms. Their skin is rough, similar to a sandpaper, with dermal denticles that assist in feeding, together with their strong jaws. It is an opportunistic species, preying on a wide variety of organisms. Dietary preferences change with age and body size. Conservation status least concern. The egg case of sharks is commonly called mermaid pursue or Davis pursue. Spawning can take place almost year-round, and fertilization is internal, but this species is oviparous. They laid egg cases, protected by a horny capsule, on macroalgae or benthic invertebrates. The long tendrils of eggs help them to stay in place. The embryos develop inside the case for 5–11 months, depending on the sea temperature, and the young are born with a measurement of 9–10 centimeters. The Red List of Threatened Species. The IUCN Red List of Threatened Species provides a database with taxonomic, conservation status, and distribution information on plants, fungi, and animals on a global scale for the past 50 years. The species assessed in this list play a key role in the biodiversity preservation of their ecosystem. The commitment is aimed at providing the most objective, scientifically based information on the current status of globally threatened biodiversity. The IUCN Red List of Threatened Species highlights those species that are critically endangered, and vulnerable, in order to make informed decisions about conserving biodiversity from local to global levels. The database includes, on one hand, information on species that are already extinct or extinct in the wild, and on the other hand, on species at low risk of extinction, least concern, or near a dangerous threshold, and preserved with a specific conservation program, near threatened.